to this week's video. So for this week's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some travel life hacks, and I think these are really good for summer but as well for year-round for traveling. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight on into the video. So this is really easy for jewelry. All you have to do is unhook the hook and run it straight through the straw itself, and then just rehook it, and then you just have it in the straw. Makes it easy so you don't lose them and they don't get tangled up with any of your other jewelry items. The next tip is using a mitt holder, and this is good for your rings and your earrings, and you can just put all the items in there so they won't get loose, and they won't get mixed up with anything else, and they won't get tangled within your necklaces or things like that, and they're all going to be contained in one item. Another life hack is to put any breakables such as perfumes, things like that, inside your socks, and this is to keep them very secure and they won't break because they'll have that cushion. The next life hack is to put lotions, creams, foundations, things like that inside your eye contact lens case. This is really good because it allows you to have still that liquid product with you, but it just keeps it in a more confined space, and you don't have to worry about carrying a whole bottle if you don't need a whole bottle. So the next life hack is to put your shoes inside a shower cap, and this allows them so that they're not dirty. They won't mess up any of your clothes, they won't get dirt on any of your clothes, and yeah, they'll just stay all nice and clean. Next thing is to put a dryer sheet inside of your suitcase, and this is just so your clothes can stay smelling fresh, so when you take them out they're not, smelling a little bit bad. They will actually still smell really fresh because you put a dryer sheet in there. The next life hack is to roll your clothes, and rolling your clothes helps save so much space, and it's actually very convenient, so you can just, have more space for more clothes, which is something I would do. Another tip is to plan out your outfits and kind of stick with a basis of neutral tones, because you can mix and match and it just makes it easier for planning out outfits. You can kind of create a few different looks with just a few simple items, so definitely try to stick with your basics, but as well see where you're going, and when you're planning out where you're going, pick out those outfits that you want to wear for those specific locations, and that will definitely help when planning your outfits together. So the next tip is to go ahead and use a cotton round and put that inside your compact powder items. This will help so they won't break on you on the plane, or if you drop them, or like you move luggage around and luggage gets moved around at the airport, nothing becomes broken and you don't have a powdered mess everywhere. So using the cotton rounds really do help. So thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite life hack is and one that you want to use for your next vacation. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!